This is Fiza's awesome fried chicken recipe, and she has made it using an air fryer. I'm sure after eating this, you will forget about eating unhealthy and oily fried chicken outside.
Hi, the ingredients we need are 6 pieces of chicken leg, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon soy sauce. These spices are for the marination of chicken, and for coating we need 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon parsley, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. For making the batter, we need carbonated water as needed and oil to spray the chicken. First, we will poke the chicken like this. You can use a knife for this as well. Now we will add the spices. Now mix it well and marinate it for at least 2 hours. It will give you a better taste if you do it overnight. Now I will start preparing my coating. This is 1 cup all-purpose flour and half cup cornstarch. I will mix them together. Add all my dry spices. It's garlic powder, quarter teaspoon, parsley 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, paprika 1 teaspoon. I will mix it. After mixing it, I will make 2 portions of this. After making 2 portions, I will add soy sauce in 1 portion and make a batter with the help of carbonated water.
What's the role of carbonated water here?
It helps to make the coating crispy.
Okay.
The batter is ready. You can see the consistency of the batter. Now we will coat the chicken first in the batter, then in the dry flour like this. Use soft hands to make the coating. Now set it aside. All 6 pieces are ready now. I will put them in the air fryer. Now I will spray oil on them like this. And place them in the air fryer. on 370 degree F and timer on 20 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I will turn the side. After 10 minutes, I will turn the side. And if you feel that the chicken is little dry, you can spray some more oil. Now we will cook it for the next 10 minutes. The chicken is ready.